Batik, the art of Indonesia. This ancient craft brings together culture and creativity. Skilled artisans pour their hearts into every masterpiece. Batik tells stories, preserving traditions for generations. Each pattern carries its own symbolism and history. Batik is more than fabric. It's a symbol of Indonesian identity, worn proudly by people worldwide. Batik transcends borders. Innovation meets tradition as batik continues to evolve. Batik reflects the beauty of Indonesia's landscapes and heritage. Batik, where art, culture, and identity intertwine.